Next we go to OneNote. So OneNote is like you can create like I can say like a diary. So you can have okay, let's say so minute meeting. This one also have this is like your personal notebook. If you want to have a personal space, we want to plan anything on this side. Okay, you just can refer to this one. Okay, let's say you have this one is I just give example minute meeting. Let's say you have a section for work, then week one you have your own report, then you can directly share to your boss what you already achieved for the 1 week, or you're planning let's say you plan for the whole semester. Okay, then you put section, let's say planning semester 2. Okay, then inside this one maybe just topic one. Okay, topic tu you just write down what is your idea or what is your plan for this topic, and then you want to share with your boss or your ketua jabatan or faculty, then you can share directly to him or her. Okay, so from their side they also can say just send to Adele. Okay, send to Adele. So from here can open, will also open minute meeting that you share. Okay, so you can go to planning semester, this topic one, you can edit, also see. Particularly on our side, we also use this function OneNote to update weekly report to our manager actually. So this is one of the function. So you can set the uh, this one section page also for this one. Okay, this is OneNote for if you have a book, and then let's say you want to create another book, you can have create this one. Okay, see, and then by default your if you're already using Teams and have a class notebook, it will appear also the class notebook that you have. That means the books that have information of your student. Okay, like this one. This is teacher only section. So this one I have two students, Adele and Alex. So I can see handout the class note for what they're doing, the homework, the quizzes. So I can manage from one book, class notebook, one note. Okay. So this is some of the function.